So now let's see how we can go ahead and apply the plaster wall effect inside of Corel Draw. So in order to go ahead and apply the plaster wall effect, you need to first go ahead and select out this image right here. So now in order to go ahead and apply the plaster wall effect to it, first of all, you need to go around onto the effects menu right here, and then you need to go around onto texture right here, just like this. Once you do that, you can see that plaster wall is an option, and then you can see that plaster is applied right here, just like this. You can now go ahead and change around the detail of the plaster, as you can see right here, this by utilizing this slider, as you can see right here, just like this. Apart from that, you can also go ahead and change around the brightness right here, just like this, and randomize it out as well, and you get the effect just like that, as you can see. And that is how you can go ahead and work around with plaster wall effect inside of Corel Draw. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.